Welcome back, guys. It's Big Bench Crypto here, and yes, as you can tell by the title, we are back again with another passive income video. Now, today's video is going to be, if not 90% or 85% similar to the Matic Staker video, because this Avax Staker is basically a clone or basically a fork of Matic Staker. So we would expect to see some resemblance between the two projects. But before we get into this project, I would just like to say, I know the videos has been coming a little slow right now. You know, things happen, and I do plan to get back on track as soon as possible. On the off, I'm currently doing a giveaway of 5 nodes, 5 wind turbines on this is the same Avalanche chain. The project is called Wind Finance. You can check it out on my Twitter. I'll put the link below. I'm doing a giveaway of 5 nodes for, so you can earn some passive income, because it's not only about teaching you but also giving back to the community as well. Let me see what else. Don't forget to comment. Tell me what you guys think about this project. I will leave the project link in the bio as well, which should be the first link. The giveaway will be the second link on my Twitter. And yeah, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, let's go. So as I told you, this is basically a clone of Matic Staker, and then if you don't know what's Matic Staker, you guys can head back to my YouTube and scroll up a couple videos and you will see. And Matic Staker has been doing its thing. As you can see, I have 2, 4, 6 more positions open, and these are mainly in the lock tiers, basically because they provide more rewards. So yeah, this has been printing some money. It's been going good so far. I have a couple of friends that have been doing very well on it. As you can see, these ROIs increase as well. So yeah, so right now if you put 10 Matic in here for 28 days, you receive 820, which is a little unrealistic and unsustainable, but the early investors are the people who really get out or really enjoy the benefits of this program. And if you feel like you missed out on Matic Staker, trust me, this project was only launched last night, I believe. And yeah, as you can see, the web page is basically the same layout, the different ROIs. But before we get into all of this, let's head over to the documentation or the white paper. So as you can see, you can earn up to 20% daily on your staked Avax. Now this is really big, especially, remember, first of all, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion on these projects. If you guys feel free and you want to take the risk to invest, please do not invest all of your money. Invest what you can afford to lose. Now, as I said, these projects like these do not last for 6-7 years. These are projects you get in, you reap, you get out. It's as simple as that. So don't, and basically the people that get it early are the people that survive the storm, or whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so it says, we are the first fork of Matic Staker, as I said, high yield investment program developed for the Avalanche community. Matic Staker has been successful in the past month, and the high returns are still continuing. But because of an increased capital volume and higher APR, it is more and more difficult to sustain, as I've said. So these are the improvements that they are making to make them basically stand out from Matic Staker and make it more sustainable for the long term. So it says what they're going to do is basically reserve 2% of the capital pool to basically farm the liquidity for the side token that they are going to launch. Half of that will be used for the age up, so people that will be locked up for the 28 days will receive will basically get airdrop with some of those tokens. It said they have increased the APR of the 21-day plan and the 28-day plan to encourage long-term investments. Okay, that's nice. It said they have reduced the APR daily growing rate. Okay, that will also make the project last longer and more sustainable, which makes a lot of sense. We have increased the invitation reward, which will bring more users to the project. So for example, if there's a high percentage, in terms of the referral bonus, then it would attract more people to bring more people onto the chain, or bring more people onto the project. This on-chain program is very secure. The contract has been studied and verified to be 100% safe. I told y'all, but it's 100% safe. But oh boy. But it said it has been audited by Hayes Crypto. Okay, not bad. Straight out the back, they have been audited. There's no method in the contract to withdraw the funds in the pool. So please rest assured that even the developers are not able to run. Okay, not bad. With the features included, the contract will be able to sustain itself for a very long time. As I told you, this contract was started today, I believe earlier. I know, probably any nighttime. So these are some of the features here. There's a 10% withdrawal fee, which is basically invested into the contract to make it sustainable. A basic interest rate for only new deposits. So they said they're probably okay. So basic interest rate for only new deposits, which is 0.3% every 24 hours. So basically, at the end of Lucy 21 days, you will have final percentage of 6.1%, if I'm correct, plus the added percentage that the contract is going to give you. The total income is basically based off of your tariff plan, so you could receive between 7 to 8% plus the basic interest rate, which grows daily 0.3% daily. So it's a good set. The minimum deposit is 0.05 Avax, which is very, very good, especially for the smaller investors like us, us. It says 12% is imposed on every investment, and the 2% will form liquidity for basically the side token that they are going to be starting up. It says earning every moment, withdraw anytime. If you use capitalization of your interest, you can withdraw only after the end of your investment plan. So for example, there's the unlocked and then there's the unlocked plans, just like Matic Staker. So you see the savings, which is the least days, which is 14 days, 2 weeks, is 8% per day, which gives you a total of 112%. The classic, which is 21 days, is 157%, and the premium, which is 28 days, which is 7% daily, which gives you a total of 196%. As you can read all this for yourself. And here are the lock plans. The lock plans is the silver, which is basically 8% daily, which gives you 197. The 21 days, which gives you 365% daily. Sorry, 365% in total. And the premium and the platinum gives you 7% daily, which gives you a total of 582% profit in total. So yeah, guys, this is the referral bonus. So yeah, as I said, guys, these type of investments are high risk, especially if you're dealing with these projects that let you stake the tokens, the native tokens. These are very, very high risky, but high risk, high reward is how I see it. So for example, if you put 10 Avax in here for 28 days, we're going to receive basically almost 6 times that, and that is brilliant if you ask me. So yeah, I had to make sure the 0.05 was working, so I put in 0.05 just to make sure the minimum was actually working. But yeah, I do plan to invest some more inside of this, and yeah, see how it goes. But so far, very nice website. It's very, very attractive, and let's see how much we can make, how much Avax we can make. So yeah, guys, if you guys think that this is right for you, then yeah, let's jump into it. I have already jumped into it, but I will be investing more inside of this for sure. And yeah, if you guys feel like this is the project for you, then I will leave the link in the description. But as I said, the early investors are the people that actually get out in these type of projects. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. Remember, do not invest what you cannot afford to lose, please. Yeah, Big Bang Crypto here out.